Hello. Aero's partnership with DNA Payments already enables you to take orders online and through Moto using the DNA Payments integration. Today we're pleased to announce that we're taking that integration to the next level, and for the first time ever we are launching a driver that will allow you to control your in-store terminals through Aero Commerce, meaning that your website can drive everything: online, mail order, telephone order and in-store. Let me show you how it's done. So what we're looking at here is Aero Commerce's point of sale module, which is the ideal solution if you want to manage your in-store and online sales from a single source of truth. Your website can manage your stock for both your shop and your online presence. And thanks to the new integration with DNA Payments, it can take payments for both as well. So we're just going to buy a set of caster wheels in this demonstration. I'm just going to add those to the cart. And then if we click on checkout now, we're actually buying two, but the customer's in shop wants to take those caster wheels away today. So if we click on pay by card, we will see a nice big green start terminal payment button. And if you have multiple payment terminals in your store, you will be able to select which payment terminal this payment gets sent to. So if, for example, you have multiple members of staff all walking around with handheld terminals and point of sale systems perhaps on their tablets, they will be able to select the correct terminal, or you can automatically link terminals to different staff members so that it will select the correct one for them by default. But we only have one terminal here, so we're just going to click this button and that is going to send the payment to the terminal. And what we're going to see in a second is this terminal light up, and there you go. You can see sale £30. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to tap my card against the reader, and we can see that that is being approved. Print the customer's receipt. Okay, that, print out the retailer receipt. And if we go back to the screen now, we will see that within a couple of seconds, the website is aware that that payment has been taken and the order is complete. So we can click done and we can move on to our next customer. Aero's integration with the DNA terminals doesn't just allow you to take money, it also allows you to refund the customer when necessary. So we're looking at the order that I've just taken in the shop, and the customer has come back and said that there's a problem and they would like to get their money back. So we're going to credit them for one of their purchases just for now. So we bought two, we're going to refund one of them, £15. I'm just going to confirm that. So what you can now see here is we have what we call the Terminal Refund Manager. And we have a couple of options here. We can send it to a terminal, or we can execute it as card holder not present, or we can cancel the refund. We're going to do this one as send to terminal. And when we click on that, we will now see, I'm just going to take the receipts out, we can see here that the refund is showing on the terminal. So if I tap my card to the top of it, print out the customer's copy and print out the card holder copy, refund has gone through. And if we refresh this page, we will be able to see that that refund has been completed. The other scenario is if the customer can't make it back to your store for whatever reason. Let's say, for example, you've purchased something while you've been on holiday and it would be an awfully long drive or an awfully long trip to go back to the shop, but they've agreed that you can post the item to them and you will refund them when it arrives. So they've sent you the item back along with the receipt and you're happy to send them their refund. So we're going to refund the other £15 here. Just confirm that. And we now have the ability, with this second refund, to refund it as cardholder not present. Your DNA account will need to be set up for this, but it's a fairly simple process. Speak to your account manager to get the ball rolling on that. And if we click continue here, That refund will be sent back to the customer's card without them needing to return to the store and present their card to you. So the customer would receive that refund within the next couple of days. And there we go. It really is that simple. Talk to your account manager at DNA Payments today to find out how Aero's integration with DNA can revolutionise the way your business operates and handle all of your sales, regardless of how they come in, through Aero Commerce.